it is a sequence of step. ଅଛି ତ ଖାତା ପାଖରେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
It is a sequence of step
steps
required to solve a problem. Next point. Algorithm ends after fixed number of steps. তারপরে next point. Each step in an algorithm clearly specify the action to be performed. Clearly specifies the action to be performed. Next point. Every step contains the basic operation like input output operation, and comparison. Next point. An algorithm accept input data the input data in a defined format before it can be processed. The next point, algorithm generate one or more output देखो algorithm generate more than one output
one or more
after input is processed.
input this process. चला
Then algorithm follow the IPO cycle.
चला
এটা হচ্ছে দেখো ଗୋଟେ algorithm to display the product of two number ଦିଟା number product ବାହାର କରିବ तब देखो algorithm ଯେତେବେଳେ start ହବ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା start the algorithm then end the algorithm start the algorithm end the algorithm ରହିବ accept the first number accept the second number first number ଆମେ accept କରିବା second number ଆମେ accept କରିବା multiply the two number ଦିଟା number multiply କରିବା then ଆମେ result display କରିବା then end of the algorithm. Okay, so first start the algorithm, accept the first number, accept the second number, multiply the two number, then display the result. देखो
अच्छा
लिखो algorithm to display the product of two number.
चला
देखो ये algorithm टा ଆମେ ଅଲଗା way ରେ ଲେଖି ପାରିବା start the algorithm let a b and product be the three number ଆମେ ତିନିଟା number define କले let a b and product ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ତିନିଟା number accept the value of a ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ value accept କଲି accept the value of b ଦିଟା number accept कली product equals to a into b ଦିଟା number multiply ହେଲା ତାପରେ display product end of the algorithm first start the algorithm let a b and product be the three number accept the value of a accept the value of b product equals to a into b display the product end of the algorithm ଏବେ ଲେଖ first start the algorithm এটা লেখ এটা লেখিলা ପରେ ବୁଝେଇବି
हाँ सरला
देखो ये जो हम डिफाइन करा ए बी एंड प्रोडक्ट, so in the preceding algorithm a b and product are the variable. The variable is what? Now it is a location where we store the value. So they are called variable because the value contained in them is not fixed. The variable value is not fixed and can vary during the program execution. Program execution it changes up. In the statement product equals to a into b, the equal operator is called as the assignment operator. It is assignment operator. It assigns the result of multiplication of a and b to the product. ଆମର ଦିଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏ କରିକି ଯୋଉ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ଏଇଟା ଆମର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର ହବ। ଓକେ, ଏଇଟା ଦେଖ what is variable, ଦେଖ variable is a memory location, variable is a memory location variable is a memory location where the values are stored
store
okay, and its value changes during the program execution, and its value changes
changes
throughout the program execution.
executants
अच्छा एटा हमें केमती हमें डिफाइन करवा जेमती सपोज हमें देखिबा बस रे जेतेबेले जाउचे बस रे आज आमे जो सीट रे बसुचे से सीटा आम पय सबोले आलोक सबोले चेंजेस रहबो मोले पल्ली से सीटा खाली गला ता से सीट रे आउ जने लोक बसिबो पुनी नेक्स्ट डे रे आसीबी तो एटा माने न थाय जे मके से सीटा सबोले मिलिबो से सीटा हमर सबोले चेंजेस ही रहता है। सेट देखा आ गोटे एल्गोरिथम रहला, consider another algorithm to increment a given number by 1. हमें गोटे नंबर को 1 1 इंक्रीमेंट करियो। तो स्टार्ट द एल्गोरिथम, लेट n be the number, n बोली गोटे नंबर नंबर, देन एक्सेप्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ n, मो गोटे वैल्यू टाको एक्सेप्ट कली, तापरे मो से वैल्यू टाको इंक्रीमेंट कली n+1 इंक्रीमेंट कली, तापरे मो डिस्प्ले करी डिस्प्ले द नंबर देन एंड ऑफ एल्गोरिथम। ओके एबे लेखा एटा लेखा write an algorithm, write an algorithm to increment the given number by 1.
by one
Hmm. এটা লেখা এটা
चल गया।
Okay. तापर आमे यूज करिया फ्लो चार्ट। तो फ्लो चार्ट रो काम होला इट इज ए graphical representation of the any logic. The flow chart is a graphical representation of algorithm. It consists of set of symbol where each symbol represent a specific kind of activity depicted in the algorithm. तो every symbol रे हमरो किछि operation हमें यूज करिवा। तो सब operation गोटे गोटे activity रहिबो। A typical flowchart would involve accepting the instruction and data as input, processing the instruction and data, and displaying the result as output. First, हमें instruction टाको accept करिवा as input, then हमें instruction टाको process करिवा, then हमें output टाको generate करिवा. That is a three work of flowchart. ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କହିବା ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ କି ତାଜମହଲ ଦେଖିବାକୁ in this structure ତ ଆମେ से जिनसरा देखिबा माने देखिबा आ गोटे होची कहिबा आ गोटे फोटो आकार रे देखिबा भितर बहुत डिफरेंस है। तो फ्लो चार्ट होची सेमती इट इज ए ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एल्गोरिथम। इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेट ऑफ सिंबल सब सिंबल रे गोटे गोटे वर्क हमें परफॉर्म करिथाउ। फ्लो चार्ट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सेप्ट ओके। तो देखो सुबु जेबे मोता
आगे सर।
that is a graphical representation of algorithm। हमें कौन से algorithm ताको graphically represent करिवा। It consists of set of symbol बहुत प्रकार symbol रहिबो and every symbol is used to work as a specific kind of activity. The flowchart would involve accepting the instruction and data as input। अब instruction टाको हमें as a input हिसाब रे यूज करिवा, processing the instruction and displaying the result of output. The processing would involve computation and the decision that are being taken। computation हबो आ हमर decision हमें यूज करियो। तो एटा लिखो फर्स्ट होची flowchart। it is a graphical representation of an algorithm। next point, it consists of set of symbols where each symbol represents the specific kind of activity
activity
depicted in the algorithm.
Jasolla.
तापर होची हमर advantages of the flowchart लिखो. It is advantages का ना it is help in analyzing the problem effectively. हमर जो problem अछि हमें effectively देखो analyze करिवा. It act as a guide during the program development phase. हमें जरा program development करिवा. It act as a guide. Okay, जेमति कि हमें घर बनिया पूर्व नक्शा बनाउचे तो एटा सेमति नक्शा हिसाब रे काम करियो. A lengthy flowchart may extend over the multiple pages. जैसे हमें lengthy flowchart बनेबा एटा multiple pages पे extend हबो which reduces the readability. Drawing a flowchart using any graphical tool is very time consuming process. Okay, drawing a flowchart any graphical tool is very time consuming process. The changes made to a single step may cause redrawing the entire flowchart. जदि मु कोनोसी स्टेप रे किछि चेंजेस करिवे त मते आउथरे रीड्रॉ करियो पड़िबो. तो फर्स्ट लिखो it help in analyzing the problem effectively. It act as a guide
Jasolla. Advantage, disadvantage.
लिखि देला स्नैप नहीं होला.
आज्ञा.
तापर होची pseudo code. Pseudo code टा कोन ना pseudo code is called as the false code. It is a detailed and readable description of what an algorithm must do. माने हमर algorithm रे step by step process लिखिबा. ओ चैट रे graphical symbol लिखिबा. pseudo code रे हमें कोन करिबा ना हमें जो प्रोग्राम गुडा को सब अछि हमें देखो प्री फॉर्मेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम रो प्री फॉर्मेट हिसाब से लिखिबा. It is a detailed yet readable description of what an algorithm must do. It is expressed in a formally styled natural language rather than in a programming language. एटा गोटे natural language रे यूज हबो, programming language रे यूज हबो. It is used as a initial step in the process of developing a program. Program development ପାଇଁ एटा गोटे initial step हिसाब रे यूज करा जिवो. It is a readable description of what an algorithm must do. It is expressed in formally styled natural language It is used as initial step in the process of developing a program,
इंशाल्लाह
advantages कौन ना, it is easy to write the code, हमें आराम से लिखी परिवा because it is use English like statement. It needs no rewriting if any change is made in any step. एठी हमें कौन सी rewriting हमें लिखी परिवा नहीं. Limitation of pseudocode, it is a detailed yet readable description of what an algorithm is. Algorithm हमें कौन पाई यूज करिवा नहीं, algorithm रो detailed description एठी दिखा हो. Limitation कौन रहिबो ना, it is a readable description of what an algorithm must do, and it is expressed in a formal style natural language, and it is used as a initial step of process of developing a program. कौन सी प्रोग्राम लिखिया पाई एटा इनिशियल स्टेप हिसाब रे काम करियो.
तुम करो
एटा लिखो advantages. It is easy and fast to write. As it is uses English like statement. तापरे it needs no rewriting. If any change is made in the state. It can be converted into a program by using any
इंशाल्लाह
language.
इंशाल्लाह सर
चला हमरो सुडो कोड. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मैं आगु पढ़िबा बुझियो. दीटा क्लास तुम भल लागला. अच्छा तुम्हें कंटिन्यू करिवो क्लास ना, एटा डेमो क्लासेस तापर हम आगु कंटिन्यू करिवो तो.
आज्ञा
अच्छा मैं कॉल कर